Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I had ordered some sneakers. We're just walking around camp and stuff when I'm around there on my trip, and they were too big. So I'm trying these ones here. These are size 8.5, which is what I usually wear. But I got a 9, thinking, oh, maybe they run small or something or whatever. But so these are the ones I got here. So these are, I guess, green with yellow writing on them. It says something TSIODFO, new fashion, says on them. So these are them. They're kind of see-through. It's kind of cool. And let's try them on my feet. So here I'm gonna grab some socks, and let's try them on. These fit much better. So this is how it looks here. So you see, and it's got just traditional laces on it here. And just tie them on, and there we go. So these are way more comfortable, fit good. They're not gonna fall off. So I'm gonna say these are nice. They do come off pretty easy. So this is what they look like. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks.